Hey guys, so just a quick filming on a budget video. We've made a couple more purchases as we're getting closer to turkey season. This is not a hunting stories video, although we're going to be doing a hunting stories video really soon where it's what's in the pack, and hopefully going to be swinging by a sporting goods store that's local to pick up a couple more striker sticks, maybe a couple more mouth calls, because my mouth calls are getting old. They're about a year old, and I'd like to get a couple of new ones for while I'm out there. Real quick though, on this subject, just wanted to talk about a couple of quick purchases. All right, first purchase I want to talk about is this adapter for my phone. The big importance about this adapter is that, Box isn't agreeing with me, I should have pre-opened it. All right, so this adapter here, I can do a lot of different things with it. As you see, it's got a headphone jack, charging cable, a couple of spots for SIM cards, and a USB port even for a printer. And it's got it all labeled right here. Now this purchase was only like 14 bucks, I want to say. I'll pull up the screenshot and put it on the picture here for you guys to see. But why is that important is basically primarily only for the SD portion. I'll use the other ports, I'm sure, but the SD portion is so I can read stuff off of the GoPro, as well as trail cameras, because I'm hoping to try and do some trail camera stuff for scouting for ducks, deer, turkey, yetis, whatever. So that's a really big purchase that I really needed to up my filming game. And it's a cheap one, you know, like I said, only like 15 bucks. And another thing was, if you guys remember from some of my other videos, you might have seen the back of my case was blue, and it had a Dive Bomb sticker on it from Dive Bomb Industries, which, if you guys aren't familiar with Dive Bomb is a local decoy company to where I live, and they make all kinds of waterfowl decoys. And if you watch the Duck Dog Princess Diaries, you see us training with the Dive Bombs whenever we're doing the fetch stuff. So big thing about this was changing the case. Why? Because turkeys can see really well, and so I wanted to switch to a camouflage case. So my wife and I, we looked and we found this one. I see it's got kind of a reflection on it. I'm a little concerned about how that's going to work. I'll have to be really careful with that part of it, because turkeys can see really well, and so that's why we went with a camouflage case. And I liked the fact that it was smooth, but now seeing a reflection on it, I'm not knocking the case, but it is something that is a slight concern. But I'll probably end up with like some sort of covering over us to hide all of like me and the camera and everything, because last thing you want to do is have a turkey coming in that's coming and he's committed, and then all of a sudden get spooked because of something that you're doing. I had it happen this past fall while we were bow hunting, and it was kind of unfortunate because I had a group of hens that were committed. They were coming, and that's another thing, but that's for a different video. So yeah, just had a thought pop into my head there, because turkey hunters will freak out about that comment, and I totally understand why, and I agree with them. So yeah, that's pretty much it before I turn this into a hunting stories video, which is not the purpose of this video. This is talking about filming in general. Obviously, with the case, yes, I am talking about hunting a little bit because of that, and like needing to have the camouflage. But every little thing counts whenever you're filming for anything. This case fits really nice into all of my holsters, or whatever you want to call them, for my filming, like my one on my tripod, for my phone, the one in the car that I use whenever I'm filming while I'm driving. It's a really handy case. It's comfortable, it's easy to clean, so I highly recommend it. And it was only like 10 bucks. Again, video here. Links for these things will also be in the descriptions. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.